Union Impact's grievance tracking system allows you to easily manage every stage of the grievance process and never miss a deadline with a built-in calendar. Let's see how easy it is. We start by recording a new grievance for a member. During the recording process, we can fill in all the grievance details, including linking the grievance to one or more articles. Every recorded grievance can be viewed and found in a general grievance list or in a calendar view. The calendar view will show all grievances and their deadlines, while the list allows you to sort and search for a specific grievance or a list of certain types of grievances. For example, let's see all the grievances that are in legal stage. We simply select the stage and in legal, and the system will produce a list of all the grievances. We can then go to a specific grievance and view its details. Here we see all the stages the grievance has had. We can create a new stage for this grievance or view the details of a specific stage. Other elements of grievance management include the ability to upload and store files and assign a grievance to a representative. The best part is that the entire grievance process can be managed and customized by you. You can build a list of grievance articles, create new grievance stages, set up default deadlines, and track each grievance from start to finish. To learn more about managing grievances with Union Impact, visit unionimpact.com.